In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed notes in so you can display the contents of one note in another without ever duplicating a single word. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, launch Obsidian on your device and open the vault where you want to create these embedded notes. Begin by opening a source note. This is the note containing the content you want to embed. Take a moment to review its title and contents so you know exactly what you're bringing in. A clear, descriptive note name makes the next steps much smoother, so verify that the title is easy to identify. Now you'll need a destination note, the place where the embedded content will appear. You can open an existing note or create a brand new one. Click inside the destination note and position your cursor exactly where you want the embedded content to be displayed. Here's the key part. Obsidian uses a simple embed syntax, an exclamation mark followed by an internal link. The basic format looks like this: exclamation mark, 2 opening square brackets, the note name, and 2 closing square brackets. To start the embed, type exclamation mark, then 2 opening square brackets. Obsidian will automatically show you a list of note suggestions. Begin typing the source note's name and select it from that drop-down list. Press Enter, and Obsidian will insert the complete embedded note link. Switch to Reading View or Live Preview, and you'll see the content from the source note appear right inside your destination note as if it were always there. Scroll through the embedded section to confirm everything displays correctly. To prove how powerful this is, go back to the original source note and make a small change to its content. Then return to your destination note, and you'll see that change appear automatically. No manual updates needed. Now you can take this further by embedding multiple notes into one document, creating a centralized dashboard or reference page. Try embedding project summaries into a project hub to keep all important information in one place. Add meeting notes to project dashboards to improve navigation and visibility. Combine research notes from multiple sources into a master note so you can review everything without switching tabs. To keep it organized, use headings above each embedded note for a clean, structured layout. Test your internal navigation by clicking links within the embedded content to confirm they function as expected. Finally, build dynamic boards for home pages, project centers, knowledge hubs, and status dashboards. With note embeds, everything stays synchronized across your entire Obsidian vault, and you never duplicate a single piece of content. Thanks for watching, and happy building.